Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. Corsair Sabre V2 Pro Review. A true ultralight gaming mouse with 8000 Hz polling and AirPods level weight. In recent years, the race for lighter gaming mice has become more intense than ever. FPS players, in particular, have discovered the immense benefits of using ultralight mice. Less inertia, faster flicks, smoother tracking, and overall greater control in fast-paced environments. While several brands have already carved out reputations in the ultralight space, Corsair, a long-standing giant in the PC peripheral industry, had yet to put its mark on the category. That changes with the Corsair Sabre V2 Pro, a mouse that weighs less than a pair of Apple AirPods, and introduces a rare combination of extreme lightness and 8000 Hz wireless polling at just $99.99. First impressions and unboxing. The Sabre V2 Pro comes in Corsair's familiar yellow and black packaging, clearly labeled with the word ultralight and its advertised weight of 36 grams. Interestingly, when put on a scale, the mouse actually weighed 35.6 grams, even lighter than Corsair claimed. Holding it for the first time is a surreal experience. At under 36 grams, the mouse feels almost weightless, comparable to the standard AirPods case 32.2 grams, or the ANC version 34.7 grams. For gamers accustomed to mice in the 60-70G range, the Sabre V2 Pro's featherlight feel creates the impression that your arm and cursor move as one. Inside the box, Corsair provides a thoughtful set of accessories. Grip tape set for customizable feel, particularly helpful for players with sweaty hands. Replacement mouse feet in blue, addressing long-term wear and ensuring consistent glide. Cleaning cloth for preparing surfaces before applying grips or feet. Wireless dongle clip designed to attach directly to a mousepad, minimizing interference and maintaining the full stability of the 8000 Hz wireless connection. This attention to detail makes the unboxing experience far more complete than many competitors. Ergonomics and design. The Sabre V2 Pro is mid-sized, measuring 119 mm in length, 55.8 62.5 mm in width, and 38 mm in height. Its ergonomic design favors right-handed users and is especially well-suited for claw grip and fingertip grip, the two most common styles among FPS players. The shell is made of textured matte plastic, resistant to fingerprints and sweat. For those who want more grip, the included tape adds extra security. The shape is minimalistic, without RGB frills, featuring only the Sabre logo and subtle triangular patterns. The shell's flexibility is noticeable when squeezed hard, as Corsair opted for a softer, elastic plastic to keep the weight down. While some might view this as slightly flimsy, the trade-off results in superior durability against cracking and impacts, while staying ultralight. The button layout is straightforward: 2 primary clicks, 2 side buttons, and a scroll wheel. What stands out is the lack of a dedicated DPI button. Instead, DPI adjustments are made through a combination press holding right click and a side button for 3 seconds and scrolling to cycle presets. With LED color feedback for each level, it's a clever way to save weight and prevent accidental presses, though it's less convenient than a traditional DPI switch. Core features and performance. At the heart of the Sabre V2 Pro is the Corsair Marksman S optical sensor. With up to 33,000 DPI and a staggering 8000 Hz wireless polling rate, most gaming mice operate at 1000 Hz 1 millisecond latency. At 8000 Hz, the Sabre V2 Pro reduces theoretical latency to 0.125 milliseconds, transmitting data to the PC 8 times faster. This results in smoother cursor movement, especially on high refresh rate monitors, 240 Hz and above, and ultra-low latency input that competitive players will appreciate. Corsair also chose to use custom mechanical switches instead of optical ones, while optical switches are faster and more durable due to no physical contact. Many players still prefer the tactile feedback of mechanical switches. The Sabre V2 Pro's clicks feel crisp and balanced, not too light, not too heavy. The side buttons are responsive, with no pre-travel, and the scroll wheel offers well-defined steps without being overly stiff. Battery life is rated at up to 70 hours at 1000 Hz. Though enabling 8000 Hz significantly reduces runtime, this trade-off is expected in an ultralight wireless mouse, as larger batteries would add too much weight. Software and connectivity. Perhaps the biggest surprise is Corsair's move away from its heavy IQ software. The Sabre V2 Pro instead relies on a web-based control hub, allowing users to adjust DPI, macros, and polling without installing bulky software. This is a refreshing approach, though it may cause slight inconvenience if your internet connection is unstable. Final verdict. At $99.99, the Corsair Sabre V2 Pro delivers a highly competitive ultralight package sub 36 grams weight. Cutting-edge Marksman S sensor, 8000 Hz wireless performance, and thoughtful extras like grip tape and replacement feet. While the lack of a dedicated DPI button and slightly flexible shell may not please everyone, these compromises are understandable, given Corsair's goal of creating one of the lightest wireless gaming mice on the market. For players seeking a lightning-fast, featherweight mouse without breaking the bank, the Sabre V2 Pro is not just Corsair's first step into the ultralight space. It's a strong contender in the $100 gaming mouse market.